Okay, welcome back guys. Before we proceed to our second part, let me show you first the tab. It's very important because so that you can follow the here is your tab. So many. Okay. It's better to have a copy of the tab. Okay, and also you can find this in the link in the description box. So far we have finished dealing with the intro, the first verse. Now we go to the second verse. The second verse is the same as first verse except for the last part. Okay, so why miss the not a simpler fate? He tried to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't play. Yanis loves his discipline, a thundering velvet hand, and his gentle means of sculpting song took me years to understand. So that's the difference. So for the last G chords, for A minor is the same, this is the same. For the last G is before we have, but now we have this one. So took me years to understand. So 6th fret, 3rd fret on the 6th string, and then 4th and 3rd open, and then we pinch the 1st and the 6th string, and then A minor, and then G slash B. So and then C. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old. Same again. But his blood, A minor, blood runs to my instrument, and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of C, the band. Three times, just like the intro. And then back to and then verse 3. Okay, so the chords for the chorus is C, B minor, C, and then G, A minor, G slash B, back to A minor, F, and then D, then C, B minor, A minor, G, A minor again, G slash B, A minor, E minor, A minor, C, G, and then C, G 3 times. So the picking for C is bass, and then 3rd, 2nd, 4th, 1st, 3rd, 2nd. So bass inside, outside, inside. Get? So, fifth, third, second, fourth, first, third, second string, right? That's for C. And then for B minor, same picking. And then C again, and his eyes are going. And then G. 6, 4th, 3rd, and then pins 1st and 6th string, and then A minor, and then G flat, and then back to this time A minor, but his blood, same picking for minor, but his blood runs to my instrument. Same also for E minor, except we don't use the first string. So bass and then 4th, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 4th, 3rd. So same. Bass inside, outside, inside. Okay? We don't use the first string. Okay? But his blood runs to my instrument, and his song is in my A minor, same picking, F. For F is 6, first string, third string, second string. And then D. So for F, 1, 2, 3, 4, for D, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 6, first, third, second, fourth, first, third, second. Okay, and his song is in my soul. And then C. My life has been a poor attempt, B minor in picking. To imitate A minor, and to imitate a man. To C, to imitate the man, a man. A minor to the lead, the 5th and 3rd and 2nd string, and then C, 5th and 3rd and 2nd string, to the leader of the band. G, C slash G, 3 times. And then G. Okay. Now the third verse, same also, only the last line. Okay. My brother's lives were different, for they heard another call. One went to Chicago, and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado, where I'm not in some hotel, living out this life I just and come to know. No, so when this time, one time only. Okay? And then you do the intro again. Then the last verse, it's the same, only at it's the same as the second verse. The ending is the same as the second verse. Okay, So I play it. Thank you for the music and your stories of the road. I thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. Thank you for the kindness and the times when you get tough. And Papa, I don't think I said I love you near enough. So, amen. Back to chorus. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old. But his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. And life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. And then one more time, I am the living legacy to the leader of the band. Okay, so we go back to the last chorus. The last line is I'm just a living legacy to the leader. So for A minor, leader, okay, fourth, third string to the leaders. Oh, for C, fifth, fourth, third also. The band to the leader of the band of that. Also, fourth string for D, third and second, and then G. G is C, 3 times. Okay, that's it. So, well, any question, just you can comment. If you better get a copy of the tab so that you can follow my instruction. Okay, and show you your lyrics and chords. Your lyrics and chords. Okay, anyway, just click the link in the description box. Okay, and you'll get a copy. Oh, it. Okay, so that's it. So what will be our next lesson? Nobody is requesting. Time will come that well, what is next? What is our next? Yesterday, somebody left. Okay, our next lesson will be Somebody You Love by Lewis Capaldi. It's a new song. It's 2019. So there's the intro. I'm going under, understand, I fear there's no one to save me. It's all or nothing, really. Driving me crazy. Somebody to hear, body to know, body to hold. Okay. Yes. Okay, that's it. So, don't forget to like, share, comments, click the notification bell, and what's very important is the subtitles. Okay, that's it for. See you on our next lesson.